Okay, everyone. Today is going to be a review lesson about what you have learned about plants. Now, I know you have learned a lot about plants. You learned about the parts of the plant as well as what plants need to survive. So who can raise their hand and tell me one part of a plant? Jelani.
The roots.
Okay, the roots. Okay, thank you, Jelani. And who can tell me what is the purpose of the root? What is the purpose? Audrey.
Stem.
What is the purpose of the root? What is the job of the root? Hold that. Go ahead.
To get the water and the nutrients.
Yes. So the root gets the water and the nutrients and passes it up the plant. What else is a function of the root? What else? Chloe.
It gets the food so it could grow the stem.
Okay. It sends food to the plant. What else? Something else about the root. Something else about the root. Yes.
The water goes through the roots.
Water goes through the roots. Excellent. Noah?
That the nutrition goes through the root up to the leaves.
Yes, the nutrition goes through the root to the leaves. But what does the root do to the plant?
It keeps it in one place.
It keeps it in one place. That's excellent. Now, Audrey, you told me a second part of the plant. What was the second part that you just told me?
Stem.
The stem. Who can tell me what is the purpose of the stem? The stem. Ethan.
To keep the plant straight.
Okay, the stem helps to keep the plant upright and straight. Good. What is another part of a plant besides the root and the stem? Yes, sir.
Me?
Yes.
The flower?
The flower is a part of the plant. And sometimes, can we eat the flower?
Yes.
Yes. And what is that part of the flower that we eat? What is that called? What is that called? So many people. Yes.
Honey.
Sorry?
Honey.
We do get honey. Hang on, hold that thought. What is something, an example of something that is a flower that we eat? Yes.
Like an orange tree?
An orange, right? So any fruits or vegetables usually come from the flower part of the plant, okay? Now, let's talk about what plants need to survive, and then we're going to take a closer look at these plants. What is something plants need to survive? Yes.
Soil.
Soil. Okay. What else do plants need, Alejandra? Water. And what else do plants need? Yes.
Water.
Soil, water. What else? What else?
Air.
Air. What else? What else? Woo! This is really hot. This is really hot. Amavi.
Sun.
The sun. So you guys know everything about the plants. Now, we are going to be planting these plants in the garden. So these are starter tomato plants. Can you see real close, Miss Sammy? Okay. And what a farmer did is they put seeds in a container, and those seeds started to grow. And what is this part?
A stem. The
root. The root. Okay, now everybody pick up your hand lens. Okay, sometimes it helps to close one eye. If you're the person on the right, please pick it up and hold it.
Which one is my right?
Person on the right, pick it up and hold it so that you and your partner can look at the root. So hold it from here. Go ahead, hold it from here. Take a look at the root.
Which one is right from here?
Take a look at the root.
I am, right?
No, she's right.
Remember, the roots are going to anchor the plant in the ground. It's going to hold it in the ground.
Look at this side.
The roots, not at someone, at the roots.
Okay. Now take a look at the stem. Kind of gently, both of you feel the stem. The stem is harder than the leaves, right? Because it has that job to hold the plant up.
Feel the stem. And it's also
Okay, so feel how hard the stem is. Oh, somebody just made an observation. It looks like there's a little hair on the stem. See if you can see those little hairs with your hand lens. Oh, he says there's a little hair on the leaves too. 2. Now let's look at the leaves.
Oh, your head's so big. We have to look at
Go ahead, feel the leaves. Feel how soft the leaves are.
They have hair too.
And also, I know this is going to be, listen, I know this is going to be a little hard with your mask. But you could leave your mask on, but smell the leaves.
It smells like tomatoes. Actually, it smells like mint. That's big. Oh, yeah. It smells like a tomato.
All right, now, if you are holding your plant, go ahead and put the plant down for a moment. Okay? And everybody look this way. So, in a moment, Miss Sammy's class is going to go out to the garden. You're going to carry one of these with you. You're going to find the bed where you already planted, where it says Silver Door 1. And around the outside, there's little holes in the concrete blocks. You're going to take a shovel. You're going to open a hole a little bigger than this. You're going to put it in and then put the soil around it.
Yeah.
Now, you should not see this part in the hole, so it's going to look like this, okay, above the soil.
Okay.
What do you need to do after we put that in there?
Water it.
Water it. So then you're going to get your watering can and water it. And before you go, I'm going to ask Miss Sammy to have you make a prediction. Does anyone know what a prediction is?
Yes.
A guess. I want you to make a prediction. How long, how many days it will take. Listen. The prediction is how many days will it take for the first yellow flower to come. And do you know what's going to happen after the yellow flower comes? No. The tomatoes.
No.
So everyone's going to make that prediction. Let's write down today's date, Miss Sammy and Miss Audrey. Write down their predictions so that we can see how many days they predict it will take for the yellow flowers to come. And then after we see the yellow flowers, we're going to make another prediction of how many days we think it will take before the first tomato comes. Okay? Jelani? Well, I think it's fatter on the bottom because it needs to be stronger to hold the plant. Okay, everyone put everything down? Okay, you know how we said that sometimes you get fruits and vegetables from plants? Yes. Well, we get other things from plants. Does anyone know what this is? No. What is it?
Cotton.
Cotton. So on a trip that I took, I was in Georgia and we passed by a field and the cotton was growing right on the plants. So I have these pictures, and these pictures are of me and the field picking the cotton. But everybody look at that. I'm going to pass this picture around. Look at that big yellow blob.
What is it?
Oh, they have a special machine that picks the cotton and rolls it into a big ball so that you can make things like clothing. Clothing is made of cotton, so it's not just the cotton that you find that looks like this, socks and things. So on the way out, I'm going to let everyone touch the cotton. You can feel how soft it is. And know that we get other things from plants besides fruits and vegetables and flowers. We get things like cotton to make clothes. Okay, everyone, great job.